Hello and welcome to Julie Hall Designs. Today I want to introduce you to one of our fantastic tools, the electric unpicker. Now this is definitely different to the stitch eraser. The electric unpicker is here to unpick rows of stitching. So for instance, your patchwork stitching, the seam on a pair of pants that you want to undo. The electric unpicker is fabulous because it is battery operated, runs on a single AAA battery, and it cannot hurt you. You can see there, it does not cut my finger, and it cannot hurt your fabric. Now, the reason that you cannot use it for unpicking is because you need the thread to get in between these little safety teeth. And to use the electric unpicker, all you do is you need your seams pulled ever so slightly apart. You don't need any pressure on it. You just come through and it unpicks your seam. Now, you can see there, I'm rubbing that against. Because the teeth are hidden, it cannot hurt your fabric. For those of you who wonder what type of stitching it will undo, that is a regular 2.2 millimeter stitch length, and it is with regular sewing thread. The electric unpicker is $18 and comes with the battery and can be purchased from Julie Hall Designs. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.